Hello, traders. I hope everyone had a great start to the week. On behalf of Catalyst Trading Institute, I welcome you to another Bank Nifty analysis video. Right? हमने आज 3 ट्रेड लिए पर्सनली हमने आज 3 ट्रेड लिए स्टॉक ऑप्शंस पोजिशनल में काफ़ी सारी एंट्रीज हमने क्लोज की अडानी एंटरप्राइजेस जो हमने 2-3 दिन पहले दिया था उसने 7 to 8 टाइम्स रिटर्न दिया दैट स्टॉक एक्चुअली वेंट वाइल्ड इंट्राडे इन वन ऑफ आवर सेटअप्स इट केम with our mentorship student. We actually took that trade live with 55 students and it was a rocket. We entered second time. That was not an entry, that was just a teaching, right? A prelude to what we are going to show them in the chart patterns that we are going to teach them, right? It was live with 55 plus people. I had suggested an entry at 132. Adani Enterprises 2000 CE actually rocketed up, right? So morning trades we had restricted to one bank nifty trade. It gave 50-60 points return against 25 points stop loss, right? Fantastic return because you are making more than 1:2. उसके बाद मैंने कोई भी एंट्री सजेस्ट नहीं की. आई वॉज वेरी क्लियर व्हेन वी वर लुकिंग एट चार्ट. देर इज नो शॉर्टिंग बैंक निफ्टी. There is no shorting bank nifty. I said yesterday first 15 minutes please wait guys, we will get a good entry and then as the market continued, right? ये देखिए सारी जगह पे ना इसने विक्स बनाए. यहाँ पे जब इसने सपोर्ट लिया, ये ट्रेड एक्चुअली मैंने ग्रुप में भी दिया था, ये मैंने लाइव यूट्यूब में एनालाइज किया था. अगर आप आज का लाइव यूट्यूब वीडियो देखते हैं, आई हैड टेकन द सेशन बिटवीन 12:30 and 1:40. आई हैड अ अर्जेंट अपॉइंटमेंट टू बी completed. Around 1:40 I had said this is taking a support here, it will go up, right? Look at these candles. Every time it's coming down, there is no solid body closing, there are only wicks downside. It's clearly saying that someone wants to accumulate stocks down, right? बैंक निफ्टी स्पॉट तो अपने हिसाब से नहीं भागेगा. बैंक निफ्टी स्पॉट को डेफिनेटली कैश मार्केट में HDFC ICICI वगैरह उठाते हैं. वी वर वेरी क्लियर दैट इट्स अ बाय, डू नॉट सेल, बट बाय एट अ गुड प्राइस. Good price is what we bought. I said Nifty is looking good rather than Bank Nifty. Fin Nifty rather because of expiry I would like to buy. I've taken both the trades in Fin Nifty and made good returns there, right? Our members made good money. Whoever joined live, some of them made good money. It's okay. Some of them sent a screenshot saying that we could not hold to trade for long. Guys, again, always remember when you are entering at support, your exit always has to be at swing, right? Prior swing, if you look at left, is here. One, second one is here, right? And the third one was obviously, it's a psychological resistance, right? 43,950. So today we had good trade. Now for tomorrow, right? It's an interesting thing. If you see, right, VIX, I was continuously saying I wanted a move below 12.54, right? That is what happened in the last candle. So for tomorrow, right, the way Bank Nifty has actually ended the day, it is tricky, right? For me now, tomorrow around 9:20, 9:30, 43,800 to 43,920, right? This is the range it should play. My first target is 44,032, second target is 44,080, third target is 44,141. Personally, I am seeing a very tricky day tomorrow because it's also Fin Nifty expiry. VIX is pointing one direction, FII DI buying is pointing at another direction, right? बैंक निफ्टी इज डेफिनेटली टॉकिंग अ डिफरेंट लैंग्वेज. आई पर्सनली फील यहाँ पे अगर इसको ब्रेक नहीं करना है, देखो कल के लिए आपको वापस योर शॉर्टिंग लेवल्स आर ओनली बिलो 43,640. उसके ऊपर कोई शॉर्ट नहीं है. बी वेरी कॉशियस. अराउंड 44,080 अगर गैप अप खुलता है ये लेवल पे तो हम देखेंगे कोई शॉर्ट एंट्री मिलती है या नहीं, वरना आई एम नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन शॉर्टिंग दिस मार्केट एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, राइट? चलते हैं कंपोनेंट एनालिसिस पर. कंपोनेंट एनालिसिस में अगर आप जाके फिर से देखेंगे, एंड आई विल क्विकली ओपन, राइट, व्हेन वी वर डूइंग लाइव एनालिसिस आई सेड HDFC Bank is at its support, ICICI, everything, right, actually was at its support then, right? It's gone up. Now let's look at it from tomorrow's perspective, right? Again I'm saying there is this liquidity has been absorbed. 1632 and 1651 के बीच में HDFC न्यूट्रल है. ये बुलिश बन जाएगा वो 1644, बेरिश तो ये 1628 के नीचे ही है, राइट? वरना ये साइडवेज मूव करेगा, ये आपको बहुत परेशान करेगा अभी, राइट? इट्स ऑलरेडी ट्रेडिंग नियर इट्स ऑल टाइम हाइज, ये आपको परेशान करेगा. नेक्स्ट अप इज ICICI. ICICI of all the stocks was looking good. Again, it's consolidating. This is profit booking. I would not short ICICI. See, for me tomorrow, right? Levels are pretty simple. मुझे यहाँ से जो नज़र आ रहा है लेवल सिंपल है. ये अगर ब्रेक डाउन करता है बिलो 945 945, right? Below 945, 946, 945, you have a move which can take it down by 9 points, right? But same way if you see, right, it is a volatility contraction pattern. यहाँ पे आपको स्वीप हुआ है, लेकिन आप देखेंगे ये अगर 951 के ऊपर ट्रेड करेगा तो ये 956 के लिए जाएगा. कॉन्ट्रैक्शन हो रहा है वोलेटिलिटी का. पर्सनली वी आर सीइंग बुलिश इन ICICI बैंक एज वेल. The only chance for it to be bearish is below 946. Next up is Axis Bank. From the highs cooling off, right? From the highs cooling off. To be very honest, this one looks slightly confused. I do not want to predict where it can go. It's a symmetrical triangle kind of pattern over the last 2-3 days, right? But the consolidation is happening near the bottoms. The only thing which is saving it from actually not falling down is this swing high of 916, right? So for tomorrow, again, any closure below 914, you will get a move till 909, but a move above 921 can take it to 928, right? It's a symmetrical triangle kind of pattern. I am still not seeing any move. It's volatility contraction, symmetrical triangle which has happened. Axis is also looking neutral. So if you look at your big three components, they are looking neutral, right, and can confuse. Personally, we are seeing a difficult day tomorrow, right? Same is the case with Kotak, but the difference is Kotak में range थोड़ा बड़ा है. कोटक में रेंज थोड़ा बड़ा है because mouth of this pattern is very big from 1978 to 1896. If you see, the contraction has been very steep. Tomorrow, if it starts trading above 1946 in the first half, you will see a breakout in Kotak of this pattern. But the same thing, I am not interested to short Kotak till it breaks 1924 and closes there, right? So Kotak is also looking neutral, and above a range it is looking bullish, right? SBI, personally, again, this level of 573 is important. Otherwise, it's contracting again. 580 above, it can go right up to 592, right? So SBI again looks bullish to us, right? Neutral to bullish. So today, right, if you actually see all the charts, right, barring IndusInd, all the charts are neutral right now, and 4-5 points above, right, they are bullish. But IndusInd is actually taking a support of a trend line from here and is continuously rising up, right? If I skip these two candles, it's continuously rising up. For tomorrow, if it closes about 1249.5, you can see a rapid 12 to 20 points move here as well, right? Component wise, Bank Nifty is looking more solid. From a component standpoint, most are neutral. For them to turn bearish, they are far away. From them to turn bullish, they are nearby, right? Coming to the option chart now, right? Let's go to the option chart. I have opened two options in front of me. One is 44,002. Let me go to 44,000 PE, and we'll look at 44,000 CE as well, right? We'll look at both the 44,000 PE and CE. अब यहाँ पे कल के लिए सिंपल है, ये नीचे से ट्रेंड लाइन आ रही है, नीचे से एक अच्छी ट्रेंड लाइन आ रही है जो थोड़ी स्टीप है, ठीक है, बट ये सपोर्ट देगी. सो इट हैज़ टू कंसोलिडेट बिटवीन 173 एंड 200 एंड इसके बीच में कंसोलिडेट करके जैसे ब्रेकआउट देगा फ्रॉम 201, स्ट्रेट टारगेट्स आर 260 एंड 312, right? So 44,000 CE is simple for me. 44,000 PE unfortunately has formed a bad pattern. For me to take a trade, right, I would like this to not break 237 and consolidate between 306 and 336 and then break it upside. My targets are 417 and 492, right? My targets are 417 and 492, correct? So personally, if you see, right, this PE also has an interesting chart pattern which is getting formed here. Do you see this, right? We are seeing this chart, a very interesting chart pattern getting formed. right? So there is a resistance here, right, at 426. So in morning it can take resistance, guys. In case there is a call or put that we are taking, right, we will try to update it in Telegram, right, and we'll come back. Now many members have asked to analyze the Nifty Financial Services on the day of expiry, so we are analyzing that as well, right? Nifty Financial Services, same pattern, volatility contraction, but it has swept this level, right? Simple strategy above 19420, targets of 19478 and 19533, right? Personally, I am seeing a very range bound expiry here, a range bound expiry. A move, do not short it till it crosses below 19311. It could bring you all the way down to 19270 and 19233, right? From a component standpoint, let's see if Fin Nifty is giving any different story. Most of the components it shares, right? So the analysis will be the same. The only difference is HDFC. HDFC is also in a range actually above 2708.9. This can go all the way up by 12 to 20 points, right? So for me, this is still looking bullish, right, if it breaks above the level, right? Let's look at options. If options are giving any different story on Fin Nifty, given there is expiry, I am also looking at options page to see if options are giving a different view, right? Historical data, if I look at Fin Nifty, and then wait, let me just see, right? In the morning these guys were equally written. Live data, what happened exactly today? Did they cover their position? Okay, 19,400 more call writing and less put addition, right? It's looking tricky because 19,450. Okay, so 19,450, that area, right, becomes a tough resistance, right? And support can come around 19,300. Guys, be ready for a range bound expiry. Be ready for a range bound expiry. This is not auguring well. The way Fin Nifty has been written is not auguring well for Fin Nifty call buyers, right? Let's see if, so see, as the move happened upside, right? So if you see the covering here, the writing and covering here, right? Do you see this, how they have covered, right? 19,500 put writers, right? Same story, but good thing is even call writers have exited. But again, the position difference is huge. But if you see, right, end of day, they both have covered the position, right? I would like to see where, if Fin Nifty is able to sustain about 19,430, right? I want to see if these call writers who have added their position today, right? I want to see a covering of 11 to 13 lakhs, right? Only then I will be convinced of going long in Fin Nifty, right? So Bank Nifty, keep it separate. Fin Nifty looks more range bound. Personally, I am seeing option decay in first half and good hero zero trade in the last half an hour to 45 minutes, right? Friends, for now, this is it. We are near about 900 subscribers now. Telegram is already 470 plus. Mentorship students did good. We had one session in the morning with them. We have a follow-up session now where we are going to teach about another setup. They saw how a setup gets executed, right? And obviously right now we don't want them to focus on earning, we want them to focus on learning. Once they have learned, once they understand chart patterns and bring everything together, right, they will be able to earn handsome money from the markets once their risk management and position sizing is in the right place, right? Again, a lot of good screenshots we received from everyone, lot of love and gratitude, lot of love from everyone, gratitude from us, right? Guys, please continue supporting us. If you like our work, please share it with relevant members. For people who are watching the videos yet to join our Telegram channel or YouTube channel, please guys, subscribe and share it with your friends. Signing off on behalf of Catalyst Trading Institute. Thank you once again. Hope everyone has a great day. Tomorrow is Fin Nifty expiry. All the best for Fin Nifty expiry. I will try and come live. I cannot guarantee it given tomorrow is slightly packed schedule. I'll come back to you guys, right? Watch out for Telegram. Keep the notifications on. Watch out for YouTube and keep the notifications on. We are doing a lot of live sessions. Gradually now number of participants are increasing. I hope everyone is learning from us. Thanks guys.